Traditional VPNs give you network-based access, but that's the problem. You're granting access to entire network segments based on IP ranges and ports, not who the user is or what application they actually need. In today's hybrid workforce, users work from coffee shops, home offices, and branch locations. Network-based rules can't adapt. You can't verify device posture, and you can't enforce least privilege access. And when users drop the tunnel due to latency, which they will, you will lose all visibility and protection. Zenarmor's Zero Trust Network Access changes the game. ZTNA replaces network-based rules with identity-based policies. Every access request is verified. Who's the user? What's their device posture? And what specific application do they need? No broad network access, no lateral movement risk, just granular application level control. And unlike traditional VPN solutions, Zenarmor forms point-to-point links between the user endpoint and the resource. No backhauling, no added latency, no VPN gaps. Identity-based access deployed in minutes. That's Zenarmor Zero Trust Network Access. Start your free trial today.